Hello everyone. Welcome back to Nikki Fashion. Today we're proving how one piece can unlock endless styling possibilities. Orange Shirt Lookbook. 10 Easy Outfit Combinations. An orange shirt lookbook featuring 10 easy outfit combinations demonstrates how one statement garment can generate diverse styling outcomes. By pairing the shirt with denim, neutrals, earth tones, structured tailoring, or layered pieces, viewers see practical coordination strategies in action. This format emphasizes versatility, balance, and adaptability, helping simplify wardrobe decisions while encouraging creativity. It highlights how thoughtful pairing transforms a bold color into a functional styling asset. We're building an entire lookbook around a single item, an orange shirt, and creating 10 easy outfit combinations you can try using pieces you likely already own. I'll show you simple styling logic behind each look so you can recreate or adapt them confidently. Let's get started. Segment 1. Why an orange shirt works. An orange shirt works because it functions as a strong visual anchor while remaining surprisingly adaptable. Its warm undertone pairs effectively with neutrals, denim, and earthy palettes, allowing easy coordination. The color introduces energy and focus without requiring complex styling adjustments. When balanced with supportive textures and proportions, it enhances depth and personality, making it suitable across casual, layered, or elevated outfits while maintaining clarity and styling intention. Before jumping into outfits, let's talk strategy. An orange shirt functions as a statement color anchor, a warmth-enhancing tone, and a focal layering piece. Despite its bold appearance, it pairs well with neutrals, denim, earthy tones, and even tonal variations. The key is balance, letting the shirt lead visually while supporting pieces remain grounded. Think of it as a controlled color statement rather than an overwhelming one. Look 1. Classic Casual. Pair with blue denim, simple sneakers. Why it works. Pairing an orange shirt with blue denim and simple sneakers creates a balanced, casual composition. The cool neutrality of denim offsets the shirt's warmth, preventing visual intensity while preserving contrast. Sneakers reinforce comfort and accessibility, aligning the outfit with everyday functionality. This combination is widely recognizable and easy to execute, making it dependable for routine activities while still appearing intentional, cohesive, and stylistically relaxed. This is approachable, comfortable, and ideal for everyday wear. Look 2. Clean neutral balance. Pair with white or cream trousers, minimal flats. Why it works. A clean neutral balance pairs an orange shirt with white or cream trousers and minimal flats to create brightness and visual clarity. Light neutrals provide contrast that sharpens the shirt's warmth without competing for attention. The streamlined footwear maintains simplicity, reinforcing refinement and ease. This combination feels polished yet effortless, allowing color to lead while the neutral base ensures cohesion, sophistication, and adaptable wearability across casual or elevated settings. The contrast feels polished without effort. Look 3. Earth Tone Harmony. Pair with olive or brown bottoms, structured shoes. Why it works. Pairing an orange shirt with olive or brown bottoms and structured shoes creates a harmonious, grounded palette. These earthy tones share warm undertones, allowing colors to blend naturally without harsh contrast. Structured footwear introduces refinement, balancing the relaxed energy of the shirt. The result is visual cohesion and depth, producing an outfit that feels intentional, stable, and adaptable across casual or smart casual environments. Warm undertones align naturally, producing visual cohesion and depth. Look 4. Layered Smart Casual. Add neutral blazer, tailored pants. Why it works. Adding a neutral blazer and tailored pants to an orange shirt introduces structure and refinement that stabilizes the shirt's boldness. The blazer frames the upper body, while tailored pants sharpen overall proportions, creating a polished silhouette. Neutral tones prevent visual competition, allowing the shirt to remain the focal point. This combination balances vibrancy with professionalism, making the outfit appropriate for smart casual or elevated settings. Structure tones down vibrancy, making the shirt suitable for elevated settings. Look 5. Monochrome direction. Pair with rust, peach, or tonal orange variations. Why it works. A monochrome direction pairs an orange shirt with rust, peach, or similar tonal variations to create a cohesive visual flow. By keeping colors within the same spectrum, the outfit avoids abrupt contrast and appears intentionally coordinated. Tone-on-tone styling guides the eye vertically, subtly elongating the silhouette. This approach often reads polished and editorial, delivering depth and sophistication while maintaining warmth and creative styling confidence. Tone-on-tone styling elongates the silhouette and appears editorial. Look 6. Soft feminine styling. Pair with flowing skirt. Light accessories. Why it works. Soft feminine styling pairs an orange shirt with a flowing skirt and light accessories to create gentle contrast and movement. The skirt introduces fluidity that balances the shirt's bold structure, while delicate accessories maintain visual lightness. This combination softens overall intensity without losing color impact. The result feels graceful, approachable, and harmonious, offering a balanced presentation that supports comfort, elegance, and adaptable styling across casual or social settings. Movement contrasts with bold color, producing softness and balance. Look 7. Belted definition. Add waist belt, structured bottoms. Why it works. Adding a waist belt and structured bottoms to an orange shirt enhances shape and proportion, creating a defined silhouette. The belt cinches the waist, introducing visual focus and refinement, while structured bottoms provide balance and stability. This combination transforms loose or oversized pieces into tailored, intentional outfits. By emphasizing waistlines and aligning proportions, it elevates styling perception, making even casual basics appear polished, cohesive, and thoughtfully curated for versatile occasions. Shape definition introduces intentional tailoring and proportion control. Look 8. Weekend relaxed layering. Style. Shirt worn open, tank underneath, casual trousers. Why it works. Weekend relaxed layering works by wearing the orange shirt open over a tank with casual trousers, creating effortless depth and dimension. The open shirt softens the outfit's structure while the tank maintains coverage and balance. Casual bottoms reinforce comfort and approachability, making the look practical for relaxed activities. This layering strategy adds visual interest without complexity, transforming simple basics into an intentional, versatile outfit that feels comfortable, approachable, and stylish for everyday weekend wear. This creates depth through layering while reducing color intensity. Look 9. Evening elevation. Why it works. Evening elevation pairs an orange shirt with dark trousers or a skirt, heels, and statement accessories to create a polished, sophisticated look. Dark bottoms anchor the outfit, balancing the shirt's brightness, while heels enhance posture and proportion. Statement accessories draw attention and introduce refinement without overwhelming the ensemble. This combination transforms casual basics into evening-ready attire, maintaining visual focus, depth, and elegance, making the outfit suitable for dinners, social gatherings, or polished nighttime occasions. Contrast with darker tones sharpens sophistication. Look 10. Travel-ready comfort. Pair with comfortable pants, slip-on footwear. Why it works. Look 10. Travel-ready comfort pairs an orange shirt with comfortable pants and slip-on footwear to prioritize ease, mobility, and practicality. The relaxed silhouette ensures comfort during transit, while slip-on shoes simplify movement and packing. Despite its simplicity, the outfit remains visually cohesive, with the bright shirt adding energy and interest. This approach balances functionality with style, allowing travelers to stay polished, effortless, and ready for various activities without sacrificing comfort or coordination. Maintains visual interest while prioritizing ease and mobility. This lookbook demonstrates that a single orange shirt can create a wide range of outfits suitable for casual, smart casual, evening, and travel occasions. By thoughtfully coordinating colors, textures, proportions, and accessories, one piece can serve multiple functions without needing additional garments. Strategic pairing emphasizes intentional styling over quantity, showing how versatile basics combined with mindful choices produce variety, polish, and adaptability, maximizing wardrobe efficiency while maintaining visual interest and cohesion across different settings. This lookbook shows how one orange shirt can generate multiple outfits across different situations. Thoughtful coordination, not quantity, is what drives styling range. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and tell me which look you'd wear first. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.